Welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to learn about importance of microorganisms. Let's go to the video. In this lesson, we are going to learn about who are microorganisms, where we can find microorganisms, types of microorganisms, what is called a microscope, history of microscope, harmful effects of microorganisms to food, main factors for the growth of microorganisms, what is the meaning of fermentation, putrefaction, and rancidity, beneficial effects of microorganisms, infectious diseases caused to man, infectious diseases caused to animal, and infectious diseases caused to plant. Let's go to the lesson. At first, we are going to learn about who are microorganisms. The unicellular or multicellular organisms which are invisible to the naked eye when taken individually are called microorganisms. But we can see these microorganisms through a microscope. This is an image of a microscope. Let's see where we can find microorganisms. We can find microorganisms in everywhere in the earth. Example, desert, water, glaciers, and soil. Moving to the next slide. Types of microorganisms. We can find different types of microorganisms in our surrounding. Examples, amoeba, fungus, bacteria, paramecium, and chlamydomonas. This is an image of an amoeba. This is a fungus. This is a bacteria. This is image of a paramecium, and this is image of a chlamydomonas. Let's see the next one. What is called a microscope? A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small which can't see by the naked eye. There are two types of microscope. They are light microscope and electron microscope. This is image of a light microscope and this is an electron microscope. We use light microscope to observe fungus, bacteria, and we use electron microscope to observe viruses. Let's move to the next point. History of microscope. The Dutch scientist Antoine van Leeuwenhoek observed microorganisms using simple microscope in 1674. This is the image of a simple microscope, and this is the person who observed the first microorganisms using a simple microscope. See the next slide. Harmful effects of microorganisms on food. If there are microorganisms, that food is not suitable for consumption. Changes that happen if there are microorganisms in food. Change of color, texture, odor, and appearance. Moving to next slide. Main factors for the growth of microorganisms. Moisture, temperature, suitable pH value, and water activities. Let's see the next one. What is the meaning of fermentation, putrefaction, and rancidity? Microbial activities depend on the type of food. Fermentation means microbial activities food high in sugars. Putrefaction means microbial activities on food with high in protein. Rancidity means microbial activities on food with high in fat. Let's move to the next point. Beneficial effects of microorganisms. Some of them are used microorganisms in different industries, microbial decomposition of dead plants and animal matter, biological pest control. Example, dairy products, bakery products, biogas, production of vaccines and making compost. Let's move to the next point. Infectious diseases caused to man. Viruses, common cold, dengue, bacteria, tuberculosis, leprosy, protozoa, malaria, fungi, so. Infectious diseases caused to animals. Dog, hydrophobia, cow, foot and mouth disease, bull, mastiff. See the next slide. Infectious diseases caused to plants. Potato, blight, pepper, mosaic disease, chili, leaf curl sickness. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment your ideas.